Hello everybody, welcome back to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing my version of the traditional English breakfast with baked beans, sausages, mushrooms, tomatoes and eggs. Let's begin with the baked beans. Traditionally, Lima beans are used, but I'm using the readily available soya beans. Soak half a cup of soya beans overnight. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt and boil them till they are cooked. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add in 1 medium onion, finely chopped, and saute until translucent. Add in 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and a tablespoon of ginger paste. Saute for a minute. Add in 1 cup of tomato puree and a tablespoon of tomato sauce. Saute until the tomatoes are cooked. Add in 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Add in half teaspoon of chilli flakes. Mix well. Now add in the beans and mix till they are well coated. You can add a bit of water if required. Cook for a couple of minutes. Check the salt and add more if needed. And the baked beans are ready to serve. Next, slice a tomato into half and remove the eye. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan, keeping the flame on medium to low. Add in the sausages and the tomatoes. Sprinkle some salt and pepper on the tomatoes. Grill the tomatoes until done and until the sausages are colored. Remove them from the pan and keep aside. In the same pan, add in 1 teaspoon of butter. Add 6 to 8 mushrooms cut into half. Grill until they slightly colorize. Add in a teaspoon of vinegar to deglaze the pan. Remove the mushrooms and keep aside. Fry 2 eggs sunny side up in a teaspoon of oil. Finally, arrange the elements on a plate and serve with toasted bread. The English breakfast is ready to serve. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.